In this video, I'd like to show you how to find a Form 10K, and that'll be on the sec.gov website, as you can see in the address bar up here. And then we're going to download that 10K into an Excel file. So a quick way to do it is to go to Search Filings, Full Text Search, and let's type in Apple. It gives us various choices. The first one is the one we would like. We see the name here, and the next thing to do is click this box right here, Browse Filing Types. We want to look only for the 10Ks. Select here, Filter, and then scroll down a little bit. It'll list all the 10Ks for Apple, with the most recent one listed first. Let's click on Annual Report right here. And at this step, click on Open Filing. And then we have this button right here. This is what you want to see. You want to see the Interactive Data button. Click it. And then Financial Statements. And here you can see the Consolidated Statements of Operations, which is the income statement. You can see net income right along here. The income statement is called with various names depending on the company. What we'd like to do here is download the entire report into an Excel document. Click this link right here, View Excel Document. You'll download it. Click Open File. It'll load up into an Excel file. Let's go ahead and click Enable Editing. And then you have the entire annual report. Not just the financial statements, but the entire annual report. And it has sheet after sheet after sheet past here. You can look here, there it is, there it is, there it is. So we want to go back to the very first one and start over. You want to select, let's say, just the, that's a little bit more. Let's just take the income statement. Let's click here. Hold the Control key down before you click Next. Just ignore my little microphone button here. Let me just move that to the side if I can. There we go. All right. So you've clicked on the sheet, Consolidated Statements of Operations. That's the income statement. Hold the Control. Let's bump over a little bit more to find it. Looking for the balance sheet, and there it is. Control key, hold that down, click on the balance sheet. And what we'd like to do now is right click. We want to move or copy just the sheets we highlighted. We'd like to put this into a new book. Click OK. And now we have a completely different Excel workbook with just the income statement and the balance sheets. One last thing here, notice it did not bring over the name of the corporation. So you might want to right click on the number one, click Insert, and then type in this company's name, Apple, and let's just do Inc. And there you have it. One thing about the Excel file here, these don't have Excel formulas. These are just the numbers. So you don't see, the sum amount. You can put those in here if you need to. But in other words, here it is, and that's how to download a Form 10K into an Excel file. Thanks a lot.